Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty cool graphic, pretty easy to draw. Not saying you'll ever draw it, but it might teach you a couple of tools or two. We're going to take a ellipse. There are several ways you could do this. I put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to bring it in a little smaller. I'm going to take those two lines. There's two objects selected. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. I'm going to blend them 8, 10 times, whatever you want. I need to go to Object and break the blend apart. I'm going to select it. I need to go to Object and Group and Ungroup All. Now I'm going to take a 2-point line, holding down the Control button so it's perpendicular. And if you cut with your virtual segment delete key, I normally go like that. Recently, I've learned to go like that, and it cuts those lines. Now we're going to take these lines. I'm going to delete that one. But for this to work, I've got to go to Object and combine them. Then I'm going to go to the Artistic Media tool, and I'm going to pick this right here, which is presets. And I'm going to pick one that has a round tip and click on that. Now, it doesn't look like it did anything, but if you take here and you go like this, and you could change the thickness. Now, we've really got to go to Object and break the artistic media apart. I'm not going to get rid of those lines. Well, I guess it'd be pretty easy to do because this is combined together. This way we can mirror it. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of this. I'm going to hold down the Control button and move it over. And then I'm going to mirror it the other way. Now, if we take this and make our lines white, and we bring in a black background and put black, go up to Object, or the front of page or back of page, we get that effect. Pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped you someday, and thank you for watching.